So here we have data regarding 5 classes, total appeared students, percentage of passed first division, ratio between second and third. See, out of 6th class students 750, 20% are in first class. So remaining 80% are in second and third division. Now that is divided into 2:3 ratio. There is also one note. No student failed in exam and all students passed in 3 divisions. So that means when you subtract 20%, remaining must be in second division and third division. So now let's see. Find total number of students who passed second division in class 7th and 10th. 7th and 10th class second division, right? 7th class, out of 720 students, 40% are in first division. So remaining 60%, right? Can we treat it as 3/5? And now that is divided in the ratio 3:5. So out of which second division people are 3 parts out of 8 parts. This is with respect to 7th class. And now 10th class. Out of 1020, 10% are already there. So remaining, can I write it as 9/10? And that is divided in the ratio 4:5. That means second division people are 4 parts out of 9 parts. And this is what we have to calculate. Agreed? 9 and 9 gets cancelled. Now 1020, is this 3 multiple? In denominator, do you have any 3 more multiples? So second number, this number is 10th class people are 3 multiple. And 7th class students are also 3 multiple, right? Come on. Sum of those two numbers also must be 3 multiple. Can it be first option? Second, third, fourth, second final. Next. A sum amounts to 7024.64 at the rate of 12% per annum compounded annually after 3 years. What is the value of the principal? Okay. So now, if your principal is P at the rate of 12% per annum, amount after 1 year in the sense 112 by 100. Come on. Like this is given for how many years? 3 years. That means into 112 by 100 into 112 by 100 is equal to 7024.64. We need to solve the equation and get the value of P, which is time taking method. Yes or no? Now concentrate on this number 7024.64. Is that a 3 multiple? Come on. Is that a 3 multiple? Left hand side 112 is not a 3 multiple. If principal is 3 multiple, then your amount also must be 3 multiple. Agreed or not? Because your amount is not a multiple of 3, your principal cannot be a 3 multiple. Do you agree with this or not? Can it be first option? Because that is a 3 multiple, it cannot be your answer. Agreed? Can it be fourth option? This is 3 multiple, so this cannot be your answer. 2 options are left, second and third. One is 5000, the other one is 5500. This is interesting number. Why? 11 multiple. If principal is 11 multiple, your amount also must be 11 multiple. Is your amount 11 multiple? Say yes or no. If that is not 11 multiple, principal cannot be 11 multiple. Second option, final answer. Got the point? నెక్స్ట్ సేమ్ టేబుల్ అమ్మ ఎగ్జామ్లో కూడా ఇలానే వస్తున్నాయి, అందుకనే డివైడ్ చేసి ఇచ్చాం. మామూలుగా బ్యాంక్ ఎగ్జామ్స్లో అయితే డేటా అనాలిసిస్ ఒక సెట్ వస్తే అన్ని 5 క్వశ్చన్స్ 4 క్వశ్చన్స్ ఒక దగ్గర వస్తాయి. కానీ ఇంతకుముందు జరిగిన ఎగ్జామ్స్లో ఇట్లా వచ్చినాయి కాబట్టి డివైడ్ చేస్తున్నాం. సేమ్ టేబుల్. నంబర్ ఆఫ్ స్టూడెంట్స్ పాస్ ఇన్ థర్డ్ డివిజన్ ఆఫ్ 6th class is what percent of total number of students appeared in the same class? That is very good. Okay. 6th class. Out of total 20% are in first division, correct? Remaining, that 80% is divided in the ratio 2:3 only. Third division people are how many parts? 3 out of 5. So 5, 16 times, 16 threes, 48%, third option. Next, in a triangle ABC, the sides A and B are extended to P and Q respectively. Triangle ABC, AB and AC are extended to P and Q. The bisectors of PBC and QCB intersect at point R. Yes, bisectors intersect at point R. If angle at BAC, if angle at AE is 130 degrees, then measure of BRC, this angle. Direct formula, right? Come on. Angle at R must be equal to 90 degrees minus half of angle at A. 90 minus 65, 25 degrees direct. Intersector theorem. This is direct one. 90 minus half of angle at A. Next, ABCD is a cyclic quadrilateral in which angle C is 113 degrees, angle D is 74. What is the difference between measure of B and C? Direct one here also. Cyclic quadrilateral, opposite angle sum must be equal to 180 degrees, right? Come on. So now if you have A, B, C, D like this, whatever the difference between angles we have C and D, the same will follow for A and B, right? Come on. Why to write numbers again? So directly whatever the difference we have between C and D, 113 minus 74, that itself is your final answer. So that must be, come on, 39. ఇది 113 అయితే ఇది 180 minus 113 అవ్వాలి. అంటే ఇది ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 67 అవ్వాలి. యాంగిల్ ఎట్ డి 74 అన్నారు. అంటే యాంగిల్ ఎట్ బి 180 minus 74 అంటే ఎంత అవ్వాలి? 106. డిఫరెన్స్ బిట్వీన్ దీస్ టూ ఆల్సో అగైన్ విల్ బి సేమ్ 39. ఈ రెండిటికి ఏ డిఫరెన్స్ ఉందో ఏబికి కూడా అదే డిఫరెన్స్ ఉంటుంది. A milk merchant buys 50 liters of milk at the rate of 55 rupees per liter and mixes 5 liters of water in it. If he sells this mixture at the rate of 55 rupees per liter, then what is the profit percentage? Here, the advantage for this question, if you have any other numbers, probably you'll have to calculate what is total cost price and what is total selling price, and then you need to calculate profit percentage. But there is an advantage here. Whatever is the cost price of milk we have, the same is the selling price of the mixer. If cost price and selling prices are same, whatever the water content they are adding, that itself is the profit. Are you getting? So how many liters of water we are adding? 5 liters. So 5 liters water we are adding to what quantity of milk? 50. So 5 out of 50 direct, it is your profit percentage. That is 10% profit. If you add 100% water, you get 100% milk. If you add 50% water, you get 50% profit. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇక్కడ మిల్క్ ప్రైస్, మిక్సర్ ప్రైస్ రెండు డిఫరెంట్గా ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు టోటల్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి ఎంత అనేది. ఈ కేసులో అయితే అది అవసరం లేదు. వాట్ ఎవర్ ద వాటర్ కంటెంట్ యూఆర్ యాడింగ్, ద సేమ్ ఈజ్ యువర్ ప్రాఫిట్. సో డైరెక్ట్లీ యూ కెన్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ పర్సంటేజ్. A is 9 times more than B. This is very important. More. ఈ వర్డ్కి ఇంపార్టెన్స్ ఉంది. If B is equal to 1, A becomes 9 more than 1. That means A is equal to 10. Then by what percentage B less than A? B is how much less than A? 9. With respect to 10. Percentage into 100. So what percentage is? 90%. Fourth option. Again same table. Total number of students passed in 3rd division in 9th, 10th and 7th class. Okay, first let's come to 7th class. 7th class, 40% are here out of 720. Then remaining people are, can I write it as 3 by 5? And then 3rd division people, 5 parts out of 8 parts. Next, 9th class, out of 960, 15% are in first division, remaining 85%. 85 by 100 into, come on, that is divided in the ratio 1:3. 3 parts out of 4 parts. Are you following? Next, 10th class, 10% are here in first division. So out of 1020, come on, 90%, 90 by 100, or you can write it as 9 by 10 also. Now, third division people, 5 out of 9. 0, 0 cancel. 9, 9 gets cancelled. Is this clear? Right. Here also, in the numerator, there is a 3. That means 7th class people, this is a multiple of 3. Matladru. Even in the second number also, second line also, in numerator there is 3 multiple, but in denominator there are no 3 multiple. So, second number is also 3 multiple. Come on. And even in third line also, 1020, that is 3 multiple. In denominator there are no 3 multiples. So here also this must be 3 multiple. Sum also must be 3 multiple. Matladali. Can it be first option? Can it be second? Third? Maybe your answer. Fourth? Come on. That's all. Third option final. The ratio of number of female workers to male workers is 4:5. The average weight of male and female workers is 51 and then 45. Order is important. What is the average weight of male and female workers together? Okay. So now we have male here and then female. Average of male is 51. Female 45. Now we were asked to calculate total average of male and female together. Now what is the ratio here mentioned? 4:5. In which particular order it is? Female to male. Then male to female must be 5:4. That means 5 parts and then 4 parts. What is sum of these two in terms of parts? Then difference between male average and female average, that must be divided in the ratio 5:4 only. 45 and then 51. What is the difference here? 6 must be divided in the ratio 9 parts. 5:4. Are you getting? If 9 parts is equal to 6, 1 part is equal to 6 by 9 only. Then 5 parts is equal to into 5. Correct? Matladali. Simplified form. This is 2 by 3 only. 10 by 3, which is equal to 3 1 by 3. So 5 parts is equal to 3 1 by 3. Then the middle number must be 45 plus 3 1 by 3. That is 48 1 by 3. ఇంతకుముందు ఆల్రెడీ చెప్పాను, ఇది మళ్ళీ కొత్తగా వెరైటీగా చూస్తూ ఉన్నారు. A, B, C. You write A minus C. Here we'll write C minus B. Sum of these two. Come on. Plus C minus C gets cancelled, right? That is equal to A minus B. So whatever is the difference between A minus B we have, that must be equal to sum of values in ratio part. Sum of these two is equal to difference. A runner starts running from a point at 5 o'clock in the 5 a.m. with a speed of 8 km per hour. Another racer starts from the same point at 7 a.m. in the same direction with a speed 10 km per hour. If they are moving in the same direction, relative speed is S1 minus S2. If opposite direction, S1 plus S2. At what time of the day will the second racer will overtake the other racer? ఇప్పుడు ఓవర్టేకింగ్ అన్నా మీట్ ఈచ్ అదర్ అన్నా ఒకటేగా. ఒక దగ్గర కలవాలి, కలిసిన తర్వాతే కదా ఓవర్టేక్ అయ్యేది. రైట్. సో ఫస్ట్ పర్సన్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఎట్ 5 a.m. సెకండ్ పర్సన్ స్టార్టెడ్ ఎట్ 7 a.m. By the time second person starts, that is at 7 a.m., first person was in journey for last 2 hours, right? In those 2 hours, he can cover 16 kilometers because his speed is 8 kilometers per hour. In 2 hours, he will cover 16 kilometers. So 16 kilometers is a gap. Now if second person wants to meet this guy, he need to cover 16 kilometers only. Come on. And both are moving in the same direction. Relative speed is S1 minus S2. S1 10 km per hour. S2 8 km per hour. Difference which is equal to how many hours? Come on. From what time? It takes 8 hours. From 7 a.m. it takes 8 hours to meet each other. Antena? 7 o'clock నుంచి 8 hours అంటే 7 plus 8 15 hours అనే కదా. 15 అవర్స్ని మనం క్లాక్ ఫార్మాట్లో తీసుకొస్తే దీని ఏమంటాం? 3 PM. The ratio of number of cans of mango, grape and mixed fruit juices kept in a store is 9, 16, 18. If the store sells 16%, 28%, 22% of mango, grape and mixed fruit juices, same order is there, mango, grape, mixed fruit. Then what is the ratio of number of cans of these juices in the remaining stock? Remaining is important. They are in the ratio 9, 16, 18, but out of them some percentage already sold out. If 16% is sold out, remaining is 84. 28% sold out, remaining 72. 22% sold out, remaining 70. Cancellation with 9. 9. 8 times. 9. Matladali. 2 times. Now, I don't want to go for any simplification here. Just observe first number. Is it a multiple of 3? In second numbers, second line, 8 into 16. Do you see 3 multiple? Matladali. Is this 3 multiple? Come on. So, in first number and in third number, we have 3 multiple common, but second number is not a 3 multiple. So, your number, first number must be 3 multiple, and even third number also must be 3 multiple. Agreed or not? Is it 3 multiple or 9 multiple? Is this 3 multiple or 9 multiple? Come on. Is this 3 multiple or 9 multiple? So you should expect only 3 multiple, but not 9 multiple. That too only for first and third only. Correct? Can it be first option? Can it be second option? Can it be third? Can it be fourth? Final. The value of, okay. So first we need to complete half part. Correct? Matladali. 3 by 7 into 3 1 by 2. Matladru. 7 by 2. That is 3 by 2 only. And even here also. 2 1 by 7. 15 by 7. Half. 4 8 by 5. 20. 8 by 5. 5. 3 times. 7. 4 times. So this fellow is 3 by 2. And this fellow 3 into 4. Come on. 12. Now from the beginning I will start. 8 3 by 4. That is 35 by 4. Divided by 5 5 by 6. 35 by 6. Divided by 3 by 2. Can I write it as into 2 by 3? Matladali. Into 2 by 3. Next again bracket 12. Divided by 5 by 3 can be written as into 3 by 5 into 10 by 9. Correct. 12 3 times. 36. 9 how many times? 4 times. 5 how many times? 2 times. 4 into 2? 8. Next 2 3 times. So that is 35 by 4 divided by 35 by 9, right? Can we write it as into 9 by 35? 35 35 cancel. 4 2 times. 9 2s 18. First half part complete chesam, tarvata braces. That's all. Ante. Order important. Find the ratio between Students pass in first division in 8th class and students passed in second division in 10th class. First division in 8th class. 8th class, 25%. Can I write it as 1/4? 840 by 4. Next. Passed in second division, 10th class. Second division, 4 out of 9 among 10% are in first class. Remaining, come on, 90%. Can we write it as 9 by 10 into, on what number? 1 0. 0 0 cancel. 9 9 cancel. Correct. So what is left in numerator? 840 by, come on, 4 into 102. Correct. In numerator, do you see 5 multiple? Come on. Do you have 5 square multiple? 5 square multiple ante ఏ multiple అవ్వాలి? 25 multiple అవ్వాలి. 25 multiple దేంతో ఎండ్ అవుతుంది? అవునా? 25 multiple 5 తో ఎండ్ అవుతుందా? దేంతో ఎండ్ అవుతుంది? లాస్ట్ 2 digits I am asking, last not 1 digit. 25 multiple ends with 2 zeros or 25 or 50 or 75. అర్థమైందా? సో ఇక నుంచి 25 multiple ends with అంటే 5 అని చెప్పకండి, 0 కూడా వస్తుంది. 25 multiple ends with 2 zeros, 25, 50. Now tell me, in your numerator, do you have 5 multiple? Do you have 5 square multiple? In denominator, do you have 5 multiple? Come on. Then your answer, first number must be 5 multiple, but not 5 square multiple. Correct. Can it be your first option? Second? Third? Why? But our number is not 5 square multiple, it is only 5 multiple. Can it be fourth option? Right. AB and CD are two parallel chords of a circle such that AB is equal to 12 and CD is equal to 2AB. 2AB in the sense 24. Come on. Both chords are on the same side of the center of the circle. This is very important. So here we have a circle. This is center. Let me take two chords here. So as CD is more than AB, I'll take this as AB and here this as CD. This is equal to 12 and this is equal to 24. If the distance between them is equal to 1/4 of length of CD. What is CD length? 24. 1/4. That means distance between these two chords is equal to 6, correct? Now I'll take this radius like this. Otherwise, distance between AB and CD chords is equal to 6. Then radius of the circle is, okay. Radius of the circle, look at this. There is a gap, there is some distance between center and chord CD also. CD is not passing through the center, agreed? Hence, I'll take this as X. Distance between chord CD and center is, come on. Distance between AB and center is X plus, and your question is about, is this radius? Is this also radius? This is a right angle triangle. AOX, this is also right angle triangle. Come on. And this is hypotenuse, right? Matladali. So now AX, that is radius, which is equal to, see, AB length is equal to 12, then that is divided into 6 and 6 only. CD is equal to 24, that also divided in equal parts, that is 12 and 12, correct? Now AX, that is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square. Come on. 6 square plus come on 6 plus x whole square. Now Cx, this is also radius. This triangle I am taking, blue color one. Cx hypotenuse, that is equal to opposite side square plus adjacent side square, that is x square, correct? So both are radius only, right? Hence these two must be equal. Now take that. 6 square 36 plus 36 plus x square plus 12x must be equal to 12 square 144 plus x square. X square cancel, correct? How much is this? 72 goes to right hand side. 144 minus 72. 72. 12x is equal to 72. X is equal to, come on, 6. But you are not asked to calculate x value. We were asked to calculate radius. Radius kavali anante deenlo ax kani cx kani calculate cheyali. Avuna kada? Right. 12 square 144 plus x square 36. Then radius will be equal to under root, right? Come on. Right. How much is this? Under root of 180. How much is this value? It is cx square, ax square. Can we write this as 36 into 5? Come on. Under root of 36. 6 root 5 final answer. Over. Next. Now, cosecant square theta minus cot square theta. How much is this? Come on. Can we also write it as a square minus b square as a plus b into a minus b? Cosecant theta plus cot theta into cosecant theta minus cot theta, that is equal to, and you know that this value is equal to p. From that I will consider cosecant theta minus cot theta is equal to 1 by p, and it is given that cosecant theta plus cot theta is equal to p. When you add both, plus cot theta minus cot theta gets cancelled, correct? Right hand side p plus 1 by p. Can you simplify that? P square plus 1 by p. Left hand side, when cot theta gets cancelled, we have 2 cosecant theta, correct? From this, cosecant theta is equal to p square plus 1 by 2p. Agreed? Now form the triangle. Come on. P square plus 1 hypotenuse. Opposite side 2p. Come on. What is adjacent side? Base value. P square minus 1. Pythagoras triplet amma. Now your question is about tan theta into cos theta. Tan theta 2p by p square minus 1 into cos theta p square minus 1 by p square plus 1. P square minus 1 gets cancelled. Finally we are left with 2p by p square plus 1. This is your final answer. Come on. Take minus 29 to left hand side. It becomes plus 29, right? Matladali. And this is equal to 0. Okay. 16a square we have. Can we write it as 4a whole square? Now where is a again? Here it is. This is plus 24a plus 24b. Antena. I am trying to write it as a plus b whole square format, x plus y whole square format. X square plus, this is 2xy, that is 2 into 4a into how much? Come on. That must be equal to 24a. 3. X square plus 2xy plus y square, that is 3 square. Is this clear? Right. 16a square, 24a is already used. 3 square is extra number. I'll count it from 29. Just remember 9. 3 square 9. Next, 9b square. I'll write it as 3b whole square plus 24b also we have, correct. 2 into 3b, that is 6b into how much we have to write? Come on. 4 plus 4 square I will consider. 9b square used, 24b also used. 4 square constant, extra number, remember that. Next, 25c square we have. We can also write it as 5c whole square, correct. Now c value minus 20c minus 2 into 5c. How much is so far? Minus 10c into 2 plus 2 square, correct. Plus 25c square minus 20c also used. Now count numbers. 3 square, 4 square, 9 plus 16, 25. 25 plus 4, 29. We also have 29, right? Come on. So now the entire equation we can write it as 4a plus 3 whole square plus, come on, 3b plus 4 whole square plus, come on, 5c minus 2 whole square is equals to 0. Right hand side minus 29, left hand side kochesindi kada. Come on. If right hand side value is 0, 4a plus 3 must be 0, 3b plus 4 must be 0, 5c minus 2 must be 0. From this we can get direct values for a. A, b, c. Come on. Come on. 4a plus 3 is 0. Then a is equal to minus 3 by 4. 3b plus 4 is equal to 0. b is equal to minus 4 by 3. 5c minus 2 is equal to 0. c is equal to 2 by 5. Now you need to substitute values of a, b, c in the equation. Can you do that? Come on. Shall I go to next question? The given bar graph represents the production of different types of motorcycles over a period of 6 years. Okay, right. Next. A, B, C, D. 4 different vehicles are there. By what percentage is the total production of type A motorcycles over 6 years less than 180? 180. 95 plus 88. 183. 183. Sum of these two numbers? 363. So 2015 and 2018 both together it is 391 plus 363, which is equal to 754. With respect to this we have to calculate percentage. Total production of type A motorcycles. Type A, yellow color, first values. 85 plus 100. 185 plus 84. 269. Next. 95 plus 75. 170 plus 80. 170, 80. 250. 250, 269. 519. Now, but your question is what percent? Less. So, numerator is how much less than the denominator? That's what we have to calculate. Numerator is how much less than 600? 81. Denominator is how much more than 600? 154. That means difference is equal to 235. with respect to 754, percentage into 100. Look at your options, right? What is 10% of the denominator? 75.4. Forget about 0.4, we can consider that later. 30% is equal to 3 times of 75, that is 225 only, right? To get numerator, we just need to add 10 more, which is approximately 1% or 1.5%, you can say, correct? So your answer must be clear about 31.5%. Answer must be close to 31.5%. Third option, final answer. If a 8-digit number is there which is divisible by 72, that means the number must be divisible by 8 and also it must be divisible by 9. Then only number is divisible by 72. Agreed or not? Yes. Then the greatest value of 2y minus 7x. ఈ గ్రేటెస్ట్ అనే వర్డ్లో ఉందమ్మా లాజిక్ అంతా. మీకు గ్రేటెస్ట్ రావాలి అని అంటే in 2y minus 7x, 2y value must be more than 7x, correct? Come on. That means with respect to x and y, which value should be the higher side? Y must be the higher side, correct? If it is divisible by 72, number must be divisible by 8 and also by 9. If it is divisible by 8, last 3 digits must be divisible by 8. Agreed or not? Last 3 digits lo already 2 digits మీ దగ్గర ఉన్నాయి కదా, ఎంత? That is already divisible by 8, right? Then y also must be divisible by 8, right? And we are expecting smaller value or higher value for y. Then y must be equal to 8. అర్థమైందా? If y is equal to 8, instead of this number you treat it as 8. And number also must be divisible by 9. Now look at the numbers, come on. 6 plus 3, 9. 9. 8 plus 1, 9. Leftover numbers 3, 4, x. Antena? 3 plus 4? 7 plus x must be 9 multiple, right? And we are looking for least number for x only. Then what must be the least value for x? 2. So you know that y is equal to 8, x is equal to 2. Just substitute those values. 2y 16, 7x 14, difference 2. Okay na? Y ki multiple options possibilities వస్తాయి. లాస్ట్ 3 digits y తో డివిజిబుల్ అవ్వాలి అని అంటే మల్టిపుల్ ఆప్షన్స్ వస్తాయి. y can be 0 also. Come on. బట్ ఇక్కడ లాజిక్ ఏంటి? గ్రేటెస్ట్ అన్నారు, అందులో y ఎక్కడుంది? ఫస్ట్లో ఉంది, అవునా? సో వీఆర్ ఎక్స్పెక్టింగ్ హయ్యర్ వాల్యూ ఫర్ y. అందుకనే మనం yకి 8 అని తీసుకుంటున్నాం. కెన్ ఇట్ బి 9? Can it be 9? Because 996 is not divisible by 8. Come on. X cube, y cube, clear ga kanapadutundi. 64, which cube is that? So that is 4x whole cube, we can rewrite it like this. Plus 729, which cube is that? So that can be rewrite it as 9y whole cube divided by 4x plus 9y. Antena? X cube plus y cube, a cube plus b cube formula. A plus b into amma a square plus b square minus ab. Antena? And also denominator we already have 4x plus 9y. So numerator 4x plus 9y, denominator value both gets cancelled. Antena? Now what is the value of a here? 16x square must be equal to ax square. Then a must be, matladali, 81y square is equal to 9by square. That means 9b is equal to 81. b is equal to 9. Minus 36xy is equal to c into xy. Then c value must be minus 36. And now you need to substitute a, b, c values here. Can you go for substitution? పిల్లలు right, multiple times we have verified this. A cube plus B cube plus C cube minus 3ABC is equal to, come on, tell me, A plus B plus C into A square plus B square plus C square minus of AB BC CA. అంతేనా? AB BC CA ఉంది కానీ A square plus B square plus C square లేదు. మరి అది ఎలా వస్తుంది? A plus B plus C whole square minus 2 times of AB BC CA. ఇదే కదా A square plus B square plus C square మాట్లాడాలి. And also we have minus of AB BC CA. ఓకేనా? మాట్లాడాలి. రైట్, నౌ కమ్ ఆన్. ఈ minus 2 times of AB BC CA minus 1 time of AB BC CA, that can be taken as minus 3 times of AB BC CA. What is A plus B plus C value mentioned? 15. Okay, come on, 15 square 225 minus 3 times of AB plus BC plus CA, which is 61. 15 into amma ఇది 3 multipla, 225 3 multipla, 3 times of 61 అది కూడా 3 multipla, difference కూడా 3 multipleగా, number inside bracket 3 multiple multiplied by 15 also we have, correct? So outside the bracket 3 multiple, inside the bracket 3 multiple, product must be, come on, answer, fourth option 630 final, that is only 9 multiple. లేదా మొత్తం చేసుకుంటూ కూర్చోవాలి. Are you done? Time taking ఇది. X is added to each of those numbers. The numbers are obtained in this order are in proportion. If 4 numbers are in proportion, AD must be equal to BC. Product of means must be equal to product of extremes. Antena? After adding X to each of these numbers, resulting numbers are in proportion. Antena? A value enta 32 plus X. D value enta 48 plus X. AD kadamma. AD must be equal to BC. B value enta 54 plus X. C value 28 plus X. This must be equal to 54 plus X into 28 plus X. After solving this, you will get X value. You are not done with the answer. Still we were asked to calculate what is the mean proportion. What do you mean by mean proportion? Under root of BC. Under root of BC. Under root of 2x minus 9 and 3 plus x. After getting x value, you need to substitute it here. If you solve the equation, you will get x value as 12. When you substitute it, 2x, 2 into 24, 2 into 12, 24 minus 9, matladali, 3 plus 12, under root of 15 square, so answer is 15. ఆ x value 12 తీసుకురావాలి, తప్పదు, అది టైం టేకింగ్ ప్రాసెస్. ఇదే క్వశ్చన్లో x అడిగున్నట్లయితే ప్రాబబ్లీ వీ వుడ్ హ్యావ్ వెరిఫైడ్ లాస్ట్ డిజిట్ వెరిఫికేషన్ ఆర్ మల్టిప్లికేషన్ రూల్, లెఫ్ట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్ అండ్ దెన్ రైట్ హ్యాండ్ సైడ్. కానీ x కాదు మనల్ని అడిగింది. x వచ్చిన తర్వాత అది వేరే దానిలో సబ్స్టిట్యూట్ చేయాలి. కాబట్టి x వాల్యూ కంపల్సరీగా సాల్వ్ చేసి తీసుకురావాల్సిందే. అది టైం టేకింగ్ ప్రాసెస్, మనం ఏం చేయలేం దానికి. ఓకేనా? కమాన్. The areas of 3 adjacent faces of a cuboid are 21, 24, 56. What is the volume? Right. Amma, cuboid ante man room example ga తీసుకోవచ్చా? Come on. 3 adjacent faces అని అంటున్నాం. అంటే ఒకటి ఫ్లోర్ తీసుకోవచ్చా? ఒకటి మీ ఎదురుగా ఉన్న వాళ్ళు, ఇంకోటి లెఫ్ట్ సైడో రైట్ సైడో వాళ్ళు. 3 అడ్జసెంట్ సైడ్ అంటే ఇవేనా? దాని ఏరియాస్ ఒకటి ఎల్బి అయిందా? కమాన్. ఒకటి బిహెచ్ అయిందా? ఇంకోటి ఎల్హెచ్ అయిందా? ఎల్బి ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 21, బిహెచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 24, ఎల్హెచ్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 56. 21 and 24. What is a common factor we have? 3. So this is 3 into 7. This is 3 into 8. This is 7 into. Come on. So L is equal to 7. B is equal to 3. H is equal to 8. Common variables ఏ కదా. LB BH ఏది కామన్గా ఉంది? మాట్లాడాలి. 3 into 7, 3 into 8 ఏది కామన్గా ఉంది? 3. కాబట్టి B3 అయిందనే కదా. B3 అయిందంటే L ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 7 అనే కదా. హైట్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు 8. అదే నేను రాశాను. అడిగిందేంటి? వాల్యూమ్. వాల్యూమ్ ఆఫ్ ది క్యూబాయిడ్ అంటే L ఇంటూ B ఇంటూ H, దట్ ఈస్ L ఇంటూ B 21 ఇంటూ హైట్ 8. సో ఆన్సర్ 168. ఓకేనా? కమాన్ పిల్లలు. 3 numbers are in such that if the average of any 2 numbers is added to the third number, the sums obtained are. Okay. ABC 3 numbers. Average of first 2 numbers added to third number. Average of second number and third number added to first number. Average of first number and third number added to second number. These results 172, 184, 202. Antena? 3 numbers are such that if the average of any 2 of them is added to the third combination, antena? Right. What is the average of the original 3 numbers? Okay, original 3 numbers in the sense we just need to calculate a plus b plus c by 3. Okay, now first let's try to get a plus b plus c. When you add all these left hand side values, a plus b plus c, one time is there, correct? Correct. Leftover values a plus b by 2, b plus c by 2, a plus c by 2. Everywhere denominator is 2 only. If you take that common, in the numerator we have 2a, 2b, 2c. You can take 2 common and go for cancellation. So here also we have one more a plus b plus c, and here one a plus b plus c. That means when you add left hand side values, you are getting 2 times of a plus b plus c, correct? From that I can say a plus b plus c is equal to half of 172, 184 plus 202. Am I right? But we were asked to calculate average, hence divided by, again divided by 3. Okay na? Come on. 170, 180. ఇంకా కొంతమంది చూస్తూ ఉన్నారు, ఏంటో అర్థం కావట్లా. పాయింట్అవుట్ చేసి మాట్లాడాల్సి వస్తుంది. 350 plus 200, 550. 2 plus 4 plus 2, 8. So 558 divided by 558 divided by 6. 6 9 times and 3 times. 93, second option. Over. The area of the triangle is 48. The radius of its incircle, radius of its incircle, దాన్ని ఏమంటాము? రేడియస్ ఆఫ్ ఇన్సర్కిల్ ఏమంటాము? ఇన్ రేడియస్ అని అంటాం. అండ్ దట్ ఈస్ మెన్షన్డ్ యాజ్ 6. ఇట్స్ పెరిమీటర్. యాక్చువల్గా ఇన్ రేడియస్ ఇచ్చినప్పుడు దీనికి డైరెక్ట్ ఒకటి మనకి కంక్లూజన్ ఉంది. ఇన్ రేడియస్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ద ట్రయాంగిల్ బై ఇట్స్ సెమీ పెరిమీటర్. దీన్నే సెమీ పెరిమీటర్ ఈజ్ ఈక్వల్ టు ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్ బై ఇన్ రేడియస్ అంటాం. సెమీ పెరిమీటర్ అంటే పెరిమీటర్ బై 2. దీని నుంచి మనకి పెరిమీటర్ కావాలి అని అంటే ఇంటూ 2. ఏరియా ఆఫ్ ది ట్రయాంగిల్ 48, ఇన్ రేడియస్ 6. ఇది క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేస్తే మీకు వచ్చేది సెమీ పెరిమీటర్. పెరిమీటర్ అన్నారు కాబట్టి ఇంటూ 2, 8 ఇంటూ 2 16 ఆన్సర్. ఇందులో ఇది ఇంపార్టెంట్. ఓవర్. రైట్. వాల్యూ ఆఫ్ theta వాల్యూ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలి. సో ఇట్ మస్ట్ బి బిట్వీన్ 0 to 90 degrees, రైట్? It can be equal to 0 and it can be equal to 90 degrees also. Equal condition is also there, correct? So one thing is going to options. 90 degrees, cos 90, 0 plus root 3 into sin 90, 1. Is that equal to root 3? Yes, it satisfies. But it also satisfies for 30 degrees also. 30 కూడా వస్తుంది. రెండు ఆప్షన్స్ ఉన్నాయి, రెండు ఉన్నాయి, ఏది పెట్టినా కరెక్టే. ఒకవేళ ఇందులో ఈక్వల్ టు కండిషన్ మిస్ అయింది అనుకోండి, అప్పుడు ఏదో ఒక రీజన్ తోటి 90 ఎలిమినేట్ అయిపోయినట్లు. ఓకేనా? ఇప్పుడు ఇదే ఎగ్జామ్ ఎస్ఎస్సిలో కానీ ఆర్ఆర్బీలో కానీ వస్తే యూ డోంట్ హ్యావ్ టు వరీ అబౌట్ ఇట్. ఎందుకు? కీ ఇస్తారు కదా, మీకు తెలీదా? మీరు రాసిన క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్కి ఇదే క్వశ్చన్ మీకు ఎగ్జామ్లో వస్తే మీరు 90 పెట్టినా 30 పెట్టినా ఏది పెట్టినా సరే ఆన్సర్ కరెక్టే అవుతుంది. మీరు 90 పెట్టారు కానీ కీలో 30 అని ఇచ్చారనుకోండి, కీ వస్తుంది మీకు. కీ వచ్చిన తర్వాత అబ్జెక్షన్స్ కూడా ఉంటాయి. అబ్జెక్షన్స్ అప్పుడు క్వశ్చన్కి 100 రూపాయలనో 500 రూపాయలనో కట్టాలి. మీరు కట్టి మీరు మీ సొల్యూషన్ రాసి పంపించాలి. మీది వ్యాలిడ్ సొల్యూషన్ అయితే క్వశ్చన్కి మార్క్ వస్తుంది, మీ డబ్బులు కూడా వెనక్కి వస్తాయి. అర్థమవుతుందా? ఇప్పుడు మీరు 30 పెట్టారు కానీ ఆన్సర్లో 90 అని ఇచ్చారు కీ. మీరు 30 రైట్ అని ప్రూవ్ చేస్తే మీకు మార్క్ వచ్చేస్తుంది. అదే బ్యాంక్ ఎగ్జామ్లో అయితే రాదు. ఎందుకు? కీ ఇవ్వరు కాబట్టి. బ్యాంక్ ఎగ్జామ్లో కీ ఇవ్వరు కదా. మీరు పెట్టింది కరెక్టో తప్పో మీకు తెలీదు, వాళ్ళకి తెలీదు. అదే ఎస్ఎస్సి కానీ ఆర్ఆర్బీ అయితే కీ ఇస్తారు, అదే అడ్వాంటేజ్. ఓకేనా? రైట్. ఒకవేళ ఇట్లాంటి క్వశ్చనే బ్యాంక్ ఎగ్జామ్లో వచ్చింది అనుకోండి, ఐ విల్ సే 90 ఈజ్ ఫైనల్ ఆన్సర్.